In my last video, I explained how inertia causes a fresh egg to spin slower than a boiled egg, and why that fresh egg will continue to spin when it's been stopped. In this video, I will be explaining how inertia causes this egg to fall directly into the cup beneath it when the support is quickly moved. Recall that every object with mass has inertia, and that inertia causes that object to resist a change in its state of rest or change in its state of motion in a particular direction. Notice that the eggs could freely move on the surface of the cardboard roll. Hence, the only forces acting on the eggs are the normal force and the weight of the eggs themselves. Importantly, these two forces, they cancel each other out, which is why the eggs are not floating or sinking. When I remove the cardboard beneath the eggs, the cardboard roll can move without affecting the position of the eggs because the eggs are not attached to the cardboard roll. Additionally, because of the eggs' inertia, they resist the change in position. So when the cardboard roll is no longer supporting the eggs, the only force acting on the egg is gravity, which is pointing directly downwards. Hence, the eggs fall directly into the cup beneath them. In order for the eggs to successfully fall in the cup beneath them, I need to pull the cardboard very quickly, because if I don't, the cardboard rolls will not have enough time to move so that the eggs could fall directly in the cups beneath them. Alright guys, here we go. You've probably seen this phenomenon in movies where the waiter will pull the tablecloth off the table very quickly and everything will remain in position on the table. In this example, notice that if I pull the paper beneath the book slowly, the book will attempt to move together with the paper. However, if I pull the paper very quickly, the book will not significantly move. And this is because of the book's inertia. Fun fact, when the cardboard roll is removed beneath the eggs do not accelerate instantly. Instead, they hover for a very short period of time. This is because of the egg's inertia. Remember, inertia causes the eggs to resist a change in a state of rest or state of motion. Have you ever wondered why scientists say that heavier objects fall at the same rate as lighter objects? Well, this is because heavier objects have more mass than lighter objects. Consequently, they also have more inertia than lighter objects. Therefore, even though heavier objects have a stronger pull of gravity on them, they still fall at the same rate simply because of the high amount of inertia, which sort of cancels out the extra force of gravity on them. Therefore, both lighter objects and heavier objects fall at the same rate. After all, gravity is a constant.